So guys, I just got the launch 129E, right here it is, and I wanted to make a video showing how it works. Now it's a wired unit, so we can just plug it right into the OBD2 port down here. And let's see. There we go, plugged it in. Should auto detect. This thing has a battery built in too. You can see we're at 97%. And it has Wi-Fi. So you can actually update the tool through Wi-Fi. So look, you see it detect the car already, decoded the VIN. It's really quick. So I haven't tried the tool yet. Like, I literally just got it, so I figured I'd just show you guys like firsthand how it works. So I guess we'll pick other because we're not in Korea. I don't know when this is built, so we'll just pick one. Actually, wait, it's 2009, so it's gonna be this one. Guess we'll do a smart key. I think this is a two-wheel drive. We'll go with two-wheel drive. There we go. Scan it. It's doing a health report right now. So there we go, we got our health report. So I guess we can click on these and see. There you go, we can see all our codes, gives you a nice description. Even scan the ABS. Scan most of the modules, and we can share it. So let's go back. Keep going back. Now here we can load generic OBD2 information. We can look at our emissions information. This will tell us our readiness monitors. So there you go. It tells you which ones are complete, which ones aren't. So it's real quick. It tells you battery voltage, the protocol, how many DTCs there are. Now we'll go back. We can go into reset procedures. So there we go. We can look at our brake resets, oil resets, SAS, electronic throttle body relearns, tire pressure monitors. Let's go into brake reset, see what's in here. Now this might not work for every car because not every car will have the ability to do this. So let's see. Yeah, functions are not supported on this vehicle. So let's go to TPMS. Let's go to Toyota. There we go. See, we can reset the sensors. We can check the signal. There we go. We're not going to go through with this because we're not outside doing it. Okay, so there's that. You can get updates over Wi-Fi because this connects to Wi-Fi. So like if there was updates, there'd be check marks here like that, and then you just press update and it does it. It's pretty awesome. Let's see, we can look at data that we had before, like with our reports and stuff. There's the one from the RAV4. There you go, see it saves the VIN, everything, the time, location. Let's see. There's where you can go into your settings. And this does show enhanced data. So let's auto detect the car. We'll go back into the car real quick. There we go. let's go back with Smart Key. Okay, so when we're in here, I should have showed you this earlier, we can actually click on, should be able to click on these, I think. No, we can't click on them. How do we look at enhanced data? Oh, here we go, enter. There we go. So now we can read data stream in here. And we can look at all our enhanced sides, like the manufacturer tool would show, like all the enhanced PIDs. So look at all these PIDs. We have 206 PIDs that we can select from. And we can graph them. I don't know if it'll work right now with the car off. Yeah, we can't graph that. There we go. You can see this one change. So there we go, we got that one. Let's go back. We can go in the ABS. Look, all these modules we can go into and look at information. So let's go in the ABS real quick. Let's see, read data stream. So there you go, you can see all your ABS solenoids, everything. Wheel speed sensors. We'll bring up our brake light because we can do that right here. So there's 90 PIDs in there. So if I press the brake, you can see they change. So just wanted to show you guys that. Hopefully you like it. See you later.